Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Let's learn some colors. Violet color, purple color, orange color, dark blue color, sky blue color, brown color, red color, light green color, yellow color, dark green color, pink color, black color. Let's draw 2D shapes. Shapes are very important, so you also draw and don't go anywhere. Hexagon, diamond shape, heart, heptagon, circle, star. Let's color these shapes. Are you? This is yellow color. Yellow color, hexagon. Dark blue color, diamond. Red color, heart. Orange color, heptagon. Sky blue color, circle. Dark green color, star. Let's revise. Hexagon, diamond, heart, heptagon, circle, star. Dear kids, do the same practice and subscribe our channel, share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.